Hi, I'm Karen. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your room in just 1 hour. You're going to need a timer and 4 empty boxes. And I'm going to have 6 tasks for you to do, 10 minutes each. We're going to work real fast. Here's how it goes. When I give you a task, press pause on the video, press start on your timer, work as fast as you can. When the timer goes off, stop what you're doing and come back to the video and hit play to get your next task. If you want to help someone else clean and declutter, I have a special message for you at the end of this video. In the 4-box declutter method, I'm going to show you. You need 4 boxes named put away, donate, storage, and trash. If you don't know where to start, I suggest looking at your room as a clock with the door as 12 o'clock and then work around the room in a clockwise direction. Handle each item only once, decide which box it belongs in, and move as fast as you can. Concentrate on the floor because we're going to be vacuuming at the end of this. You have a lot of things to do and not much time to do it, so thank goodness we're only cleaning for 1 hour. Let's talk about clothes for a minute. For this task, we're going to consider most clothes as going into the laundry hamper. Unless you have a stack of folded clothes, then put them in the put away box. If you have clothes that don't fit anymore, you can donate them or put them in storage. If you have more clothes that can fit in your dresser, shelves, and closet, you can store them if they're out of season. But if you have an overabundance of clothes that you don't have room to store, just go ahead and donate them. Unless if they're ripped or stained, put them in the trash box because they're not worth donating. There are 6 tasks of 10 minutes each. Use the timer because I don't want you to work too much and burn out. 1, make your bed. 2, declutter with the 4-box method. 3, put things away. 4, storage. 5, donate and take out the trash. And 6, vacuum. The first task, make your bed. Really, I would like you to make your bed every day. As soon as you get out of it, making your bed takes about 3 minutes. It really makes the whole room look neater. I did a test run of this 1-hour cleaning, and I found that the second task, decluttering using the 4-box method, is the most time consuming. That's why we're going to set the timer for 20 minutes and combine tasks 1 and 2, make your bed and decluttering. When the 20 minutes ends, stop what you're doing, move on to the next task, no matter how far you got in the decluttering. Pause the video now and start. Okay, you're back. How'd that go? Now you have your 4 boxes filled up. The next step is to empty out the put away box. One at a time, think about putting things together, shoes, clothes, books, music, games. They each have their own home, so when needed, you know where to look. Set your timer for 10 minutes and put things away as fast as you can. Welcome back. Did you get everything put away? Mostly put away? Here's a fast one, storage. You can just close that box up and put it into storage. If you have some time left, you can go back and put things away if you want to devote a few minutes to that task. Start now. Now we're going to set the timer for 10 minutes and take the donate box out to the car and take the trash box out too. Go ahead, do these nice and fast. Terrific job. We made it to the last task. Set your timer for 10 minutes, get out the old vacuum cleaner and go to it. Go. So let's wrap this up. You made your bed, decluttered with the 4-box method and vacuumed. And that's it, you're done for the day. Is it the cleanest clean you've ever seen? I don't know, but it's better than before, right? If you didn't declutter the whole room, don't worry. And don't do another hour of cleaning. You deserve a break, but you still need to finish your room. So tomorrow, do these 6 tasks in 1 hour. If you did make it all the way around the room, come back again this time next week. And we'll see you a week from now for cleaning your room. You made it this far in the video, so I'm going to say, why do I want to do this? Because living in a decluttered space is empowering to me. In a world where there's so much out of my control, I can at least control my own environment and bring order to the chaos. And the beauty of doing it often is that I become familiar with where my stuff is. And if I need to find something really fast, I am not frantically looking. I'm calmer. I waste less time. It's easier, and it's just all these little things add up to a big improvement in my life. All right, now we're gonna have some real talk. If you have someone in your life and you want to show them this video to get them to clean, I'm sorry to say it's just not going to work. You can't control other adults. When they're little kids, yes, you can train them up and make a game of it and have fun with a timer. Set a good example, hopefully set some good habits. But once they're adults, it's complicated. People are complicated, and there may be things that get in the way of their motivation, at this time. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. If you have friends who you think would like it too, please share. We try to put out new videos every Saturday. Wash your hands. Stay safe. Bye-bye.